It's a surprise kid attack. It's Halloween day. Say again.
Are we doing a video?
This is a video, yes, just to let the people see the children and what we do back here in our backyard.
Well, I don't do safe stuff back here.
No, she does not do safe things. As you can see,
I do safe stuff, but I don't.
well, you got to stop doing unsafe. You have to stop.
Sometimes I do.
Do the safe things, safe things. Now, this is my project. This is one project I've been working on. I think it's a magnificent project. You're going to see it when it's finished. I'll make a video on that. And believe it or not, I did this all eyeball. I didn't use measurements, eyeball. Well, I use measurements. I'm not going to say exactly that. I use measurements, but I have the blueprint in my head. That's basically what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm getting there. It's going to be a playhouse, by the way. Playhouse for the kiddies. And look at the little stuff that you're going to see them doing on their own channel.
We're not kitties.
You're not a kitty? And then what are you, young lady? Speak to me.
We're kids.
We're kids?
Yeah.
That's what you have to say to the camera?
Yeah, that's what I have to say. And also,
Wow.
have to be safe on the swing.
You have to be safe. Why is it important to be safe?
So you won't hurt yourself.
That is wonderful. That is correct.
Junior would never listen to that.
Junior, well, he would not listen to that. Well, we're going to make him listen. We're going to teach him as well. He's the young one. He's only 3. We got all kind of little fun toys outside, all kind of stuff. We got to clean up back here, by the way.
It's important to stay away It's a good thing
I built that as well.
Strangers.
Strangers. Some of the material, of course, pencils, all kind of things like that. As loud as you can. Yep.
If not, just keep running.
And if not, you just keep running. You hear that, people? You just keep running till you see some other people. Till you see a group of people. If y'all remember on my page, this is the Jeep Grand Cherokee that was finished and completely immaculated, and it is. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
There's a lot of the cleaning stuff.
Beautiful. That's the next project. You're going to see that. Look for it. Like and subscribe.